welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe if you like to watch unboxing videos. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing for SINGLESSWAG. I've never, in my entire life of having subscription boxes, I've never had this box. So I don't know what's in store for me. This box was $39.99. It's month to month, so every month obviously it renews. But let's keep these good vibes rolling. Don't forget to subscribe if you like good vibes. So let's just go ahead and get into the box. So this is the inside of the box for now, until I fuck it up. Win your next box. Post a photo of your box on Instagram or Facebook and tag @SINGLESSWAG. We pick a winner each month. Oh, that's cool. Get $15 for every friend that you sign up for SINGLESSWAG. Okay, good to know. Alright, so it tells you everything that's in the box right here. That's pretty cool. I like when I get prices on everything. And it says the retail value for this box is $2.20. Cool. I kind of like this packaging right here. The first thing I see in this box, a little questionable, is a satin eye mask. I don't really wear eye mask or like sleep mask, whatever. I'm not really into them. I mean, I like the little stars and stuff. That's cute. But, I mean, who really wears eye masks all the time? Like, I've got probably 3 of them in my bedroom that I don't ever use. So this was kind of a miss for me. Not really into them. But hey, some people are, so. And the eye mask is, no, my cat, he's going absolutely crazy. This eye mask is $28. He's a fast boy. Alright, so the next thing in here is a, oh my god. I'm gonna record him for a second. Watch, now he's not gonna do it. Of course he's not gonna do it now. Okay, so anyways, the next thing in this box, I've had these before, so I'm not like dogging it, but it's those little vanilla wafer straw things that Logan will probably devour, so, I mean, it's not bad, whatever. For those itself are, these are $4, so, I mean, it is what it is. Alright, the next thing is a strawberry body milk. I don't know how to pronounce the name of this brand, but it's a, y'all can spell it out for yourselves. I want to smell it, because I like strawberries. That smells really good. Okay. So this is $24. Okay. The next thing in here, ooh, Glow On Fifth Beauty Simply Glowing Vitamin C Serum. I love serums. I have dry skin, so I can't open it. Any serum that helps me not be a crusty, dry bitch on my face, I'm gonna put it on. After I throw it first. So that is, this is $32, which is pretty much the value of this box, or like the price that I paid for this box. So that's cool. I kind of wanted to smell it, but I literally cannot open it. So whatever, I'll try it out later. The next thing in here is a hand wash infused buffer. It's like a sponge thing, you know what I mean? Smells nice. I will definitely use this. I love these. I buy these all the time. So that's cool. This retails for $14. That's cool. Alright, next thing in this box sounds like jewelry. It's a necklace and earring set. I don't even want to open it yet. Okay with the gold chain. Ooh, that is so cute. I don't ever wear jewelry just because I'm a basic bitch and I just don't. This retails for $58. Okay. This is really cute. As long as it doesn't turn my neck green or my ears green, like I'll totally wear it. How freaking cute. I'm about to destroy my cat. He will not stop making noise. So, back to this. I sleep with socks on at night. I don't care. I do it. Subscribe if you sleep with socks on. Alright, so those socks retail for... So the socks retail for... What's the name of the socks? Richer or Poorer. $18 for this pair of socks. Okay. I mean, I don't think I would pay $18 for one pair of socks, but I mean, it is what it is. It is a woman's classic top. Look how cute I look. Oh my god. Alright, focus. Focus. So, these are cute. I like black and white. Clearly. That's literally all I wear. Oh my god. Okay. Anyways. So, I'm putting all this stuff back in the box. Do I think I got my money's worth for $33? I would say yes, I did get my money's worth. The only thing I probably won't use in this box is the mask. My son Logan will actually wear these for like a day or two and then like get rid of them. But I just feel like they're not really necessary. If I'm tired, I'm gonna sleep anywhere. Could be bright as hell or dark as hell. If I'm tired, I'm going to sleep. If you want to see more Single Swag boxes, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment as well. I was really happy with this box. And I mean, I got a pair of jewelry too. So, and some serum. Mama loves some serum. I sure do. Y'all have a blessed day. Keep them good vibes rolling. Don't let the negativity affect you. Peace. Oh, God.